Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Taurus for week ahead. So watch this video. If you're a Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one, keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in, check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. And if you don't already know, then I'm a Moon and Venus in Taurus myself. So I do these readings very frequently on the channel. And I know other signs are going to come after me because I haven't been posting consistently recently because of my schedule. But never mind. So let's see messages for Taurus. Please give me the present energy for Taurus. 6 of Cups. Taurus. Who is this person trying to come back into your life? I see there could be a water sign that is trying to make its way back into your life, or it could be any sign. I see somebody wants to come forward and this person has something to say to you. We also have the World card. So this is basically like a full circle moment, like somebody might have left your life and now they want to make their entry back into your life. So it's like a full circle moment kind of happened between you and this person. You might have thought that this person is never going to appear into your life, but you're wrong. I see somebody wants to still come back because they kind of roamed the world without you, but then they realized that you are their world, you know? All right, let's see what happened in Taurus love life between this person and Taurus. 10 of Wands. I see you just got tired of waiting for somebody to make a move towards you. You might have really waited for this person for a very long time to kind of open their mouth, give you the clarity. But this person was just trying to, keep you very, very stuck. They were just not telling you what is up. I see that you feel kind of a bit stressed about the situation as well with this person because they never really give you any sort of clarity in the situation. And I see in the past it was only you who was, carrying the burden of the connection all on your shoulder. And then you got stressed. Like, how far can somebody do that, right? Ultimately, people get stressed. And that's what it is. Like, you kind of felt that this is not going to go anywhere because you were the only one who was carrying the burden of the connection. And then you decided to drop off the burden. And now I see this person is kind of realizing that a full circle moment has happened and they want to make their entry back into your life. So what is Taurus trying to do here in the situation with this person now? What is Taurus feeling? Sun card. Taurus, you also want this person, right? Don't tell me otherwise. Because I see you want. Like, you have love for this person. Some of you, you have a child involved in the situation. Maybe that is why it's very difficult for you to let go entirely. Like, you are convincing yourself that, okay, this chapter is over and I don't want this person. But somewhere deep down, you also are very optimistic that this connection is going to work. All right. So I see that you have feelings, you have emotions, but you're too tired to carry the whole burden of the connection on your shoulders. So that is why you're kind of skeptical to give this person a chance because, like, in the past, this person has made you carry the whole burden of the connection. You don't want to repeat that cycle. So it's like you don't know, you're confused. You want to take a chance, but then you don't know whether you should take a chance again with them or not. We'll see if you'll do that or not. What else? Yeah, 5 of Wands. I see in the past, maybe you and this person, a lot of people got involved, or maybe a lot of opinions got involved and things could not proceed. Some of you, I see it was definitely other people that kind of got involved in the connection, which finally kind of ruined the connection. And you're very skeptical to entertain drama in your life. So Taurus, Taurus are literally no bullshit people. So I feel that though you still have love or optimism for this connection, but you're very, very skeptical to allow drama back into your life. That's why you feel that this connection is over. You think that this person was drama and you've cut them out, but they still are looking forward to come to your life. It's a very messy situation already. You are dropping the burden, but somebody wants to show back into your life, Taurus. What's up? Who the hell is this person? Some of it's a Leo, could be a Sagittarius, could be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, could be Aries. 4 of Swords. Yeah, like, you feel you're just too tired for this. You've already dropped the burden, Taurus, isn't it? For you, this connection is already over. or you just don't want to engage. You guys are very, very focused on to something else in your life, and for you, this connection or this person, you feel they are not important, and you're just trying to take your own sweet time to make things happen in your own life. You feel you don't have time for drama. King of Swords. Yeah, you also being very, very practical. I see you're very determined to attain something in life. So it's like a career situation or a money situation is keeping you very, very focused, very determined. You're very, you're basically strategizing about a career thing or a finance thing these days. And you feel you don't have trauma. You don't have you don't have time for this person and their drama. I can't even speak. What the hell? Queen of Swords. Ooh, King of Swords. What the hell is happening here? So, some of you guys are soulmates. We have both the King and the Queen here. So, some of you, it's a very strong bond, Taurus. That is why it's very difficult to get rid of this person. It's a very strong bond. It's like a masculine and feminine energy both here in the reading. So, it's like you both are same, just the same. When, it's like you are cold, they are cold. You are passionate, they are passionate. You want them, they want you. You don't want to show emotions, they don't want to show emotions. It's like the problem is that. I think that's why it's very good that two people who are into relationship, they should be different. When they're entirely exactly the same, then it becomes a problem because, you will act like same. So that's what is happening here. You and your person, you both are hiding your feelings, you both are hiding your personality, nobody is trying to open up, but both want this connection. They are acting cold, you are acting cold. They don't want to make a move, you don't want to make a move. You are, however, not at all interested. Some of you feel this person is drama, that's why you don't want to make a move. You have done a lot in the past. You don't want to repeat the cycle again, but this person, they want to talk to you, but then again, they're taking their own sweet time. Somebody is very, very slow here to make a move, Your person is very slow. Are you dating a snail these days? I don't know. Alright, so what is the future energy for Taurus, please? 9 of Cups. Ooh, I see a wish fulfillment. Though this is like a love reading, but I keep on getting that a wish of yours in career or finance is going to be fulfilled. So you're trying to manifest something big in your life, especially in career and finance, and I see that's going to happen. You're trying to take a break from love and etc. You're trying to focus on to something else. Though this is a love reading and you're watching this, but love is not a priority of yours these days, to be very honest. And whatever you're trying to achieve in your life, I see you will be. But the problem is, even though you achieve it, you won't be very happy because you see her face. She's not very happy because a part of you is still stuck with this person. That's correct. I see love coming into your life. And who is this water sign showing very dominantly in your reading? So yeah, there could be a water sign, there could be a Leo, there could be Aries, Sag, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that is coming towards you with a lot of love, like a lot of love, emotional talks. This person is trying to come back into your life. And you, Taurus, you're very focused to make something happen in your life. These days, you're just setting your mind to a goal and you want to maybe start something in your career. You basically want to take a leap of faith in your career towards something. And you intuitively kind of know that is your path, but you're just trying to see a sign. This is your sign that you should go for it. I see a brand new opportunity coming towards you, and I see that you're very determined to make it happen as well, but maybe you're just waiting. Like, how sometimes we know things are there for us, but then we hold on to a little longer. Like, we are like, oh, when this will happen, then I will make a move. When that will happen, then I will make a move. So if you were looking for a sign, this is your sign that you should go for it. And when it comes to love, I see you and your person both want each other, but the problem is neither of you want to tell it openly. But I see there will be like a second opportunity and etc. Judgment again is a reconciliation card. So it's like something which you think is over is not over. And I see somebody or something is going to come back to life. However, your priority these days is your work on money. Like, you're very determined, you're working on a project already. It's like right now you're in the working phase, or you're just gathering knowledge about it. You're just polishing your skills. You're about to launch something. It's going to go really well. I see that. Your skills, your knowledge is going to pay you back. just happened? Hold on a second. I don't know. Anyway, so what is the outcome of this situation between Taurus and their person, please? The Devil card. I see this situation is going to stay stuck for some more time. What the hell is happening? You and your person both are not going to part ways because you don't want to. It's like neither of you is trying to make a move towards the other person, and nor you're just trying to walk away from the situation. So you're going to stay stuck in this situation for some more time before you finally make a move. So yeah, this is like a voluntary enslavement where both of you don't want to get out of it. Queen of Pentacles. So ultimately you guys might come back together, but you know, this stuck energy is going to stay there for some more time. Like both of you giving each other cold shoulder, silent treatment. However, I see your money, like your money and career situation is improving again. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Some of you, this thing is going to be sabotaged more because maybe this person tries to come back into your life, but you'll be like, no, I am busy with making money, or I'm busy with my career, so I don't have time for you. Whatever it is, I see this situation between you and this person, this push and pull is going to extend for some more time. Some of you, the problem is that this person is already married, because we have Queen of Pentacles, a married woman. So either you're already married to this person is already married, or you want to get married and things are just not happening right now. You know, it's taking a lot of time because this person, your person is very, very slow. Chariot. Yeah, see, you want them to come towards you very quickly, but they are taking their own sweet time, and because of that, things are just not moving at the pace that you want it to. So I see there are issues of speed. Somebody is not very fast. Also, I see some ego issues, like this person likes to control things and you are very happy-go-lucky, so that's again a problem. Wheel of Fortune. I see tables are going to turn regardless. So whatever is stuck is going to get unstuck over the time. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, I see you guys will get back together on the same page. And I see you will try to make things happen. But it's going to happen with some delay. So maybe 3 months from now. So that is possible. However, the good thing is that here in the entire reading, we saw that you guys have been taking a step back. And you are basically in your Empress mode, or you're preparing for a big leap in your life. You're trying to manifest something career-wise or money-wise. I see that's coming towards you. So you are not trying to get in your own way. You know that the situation with this person kind of sucks right now, but you're not paying attention on it. You're like, me, myself, my growth, that is important. This person is not important. I will figure out this situation with this person later on. Let me focus on myself. So you are in this freaking Empress energy, which is very beautiful. And you're not letting this love situation or this messed up situation mess up your life, you know, which is good. And that is something which only Taurus can do, because Taurus people are very practical. We have 8 of Cups. I see that right now you guys are walking away from this situation. Taurus, you know, what I get in this reading is like you like somebody, they like you. Neither of you is making a move. And I see this stuck energy is going to prolong for some time. But it's like you're not waiting for them. You know, that's one thing. Even though you're kind of stuck in this energy, but you're not waiting for them. You're not putting your life on hold. You keep continuing with your own work. You're doing your thing. You're achieving things in life. Some of you, money-making situation, definitely like a lot of money. 10 of Cups again, you know, a lot of money. You might be buying a home, maybe a property or whatever. And you're just trying to pull yourself out of a disappointment. You're very strongly working on your dreams, your plans, your goals, and you're not letting this person hold you back. You're not letting this drama hold you back, which is a good thing. So for time being, I see you're trying to walk away and you're just trying to go towards positivity. Some of you might just leave this person and, you know, get married elsewhere. So that is also possible. If this person takes forever, you're not going to wait for them. You love them, but then you're not going to wait for them forever. That's the energy. If I have to put that in one sentence, that's about it. You like this person, you love them, you would want things to get better with them, but you're not waiting, which is good. So that's about it. So in the future, again, you know, in the month of September, for the next 1 week or so, I see things are going to stay stuck, you know, because neither of you taking an action. So yeah, if you want things to move forward with this person, it's not happening anytime soon. I see it's gonna happen, ultimately, but not anytime soon. Give me message for Taurus, please. Calling in your soulmate. Some of you, we saw that, wish fulfillment is going to be granted and give your relationship a chance. I think some of you, you're manifesting this person also. You're not talking to them, but you're manifesting them. So that can be that. A wish is going to be granted. We already saw with the 9 of Cups, but it's going to take some time. All right. This person is not going anywhere. They are coming back, but it's a little slow because, you're dating a snail. What can I do? Like, you are just leaving humans aside and you're dating a snail. What the hell? Give me message for Taurus a week ahead. Hold your vision. Some of you, I see that you're trying to make something happen, career-wise, finance, or relationship, but you're not entirely sure. So maybe you are second-guessing your decisions. Your message is to hold your vision. Hold for some more time. Don't give up. Things will make sense. Believe in, oh my God, believe in the impossible. Yes. Something that you feel is impossible, it can never happen. I see you thought that this cycle is over with this person, but it's not. Believe in the impossible and hold your vision. The answers you need are coming. So I see communication coming in for you. All right, that was a very beautiful reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.